Hi, I'm Melissa Bittner. I'm the Policy and Advocacy Chair for NCPED. Today, I'm going to highlight how you can use the Five Calls app, which is a free download to help with your advocacy efforts. Step one, you download the Five Calls app. Then from there, it's going to prompt you for your location. You can either use the Detect My Location or you can put in your zip code. From there, you are going to be prompted to ask, well, what is important to you? I am going to type in Department of Education and see what that brings up for us. It looks like Stop the Dismantling of Federal Education Programs and Workplace is one of the options. So you can read then more information about this particular issue. If you are still interested, you can select or deselect different relevant representatives regarding this issue. So I'm going to keep all three of these selected and I'm going to see the script. You can review the scripts, choose different options, and then if you are interested, you can go ahead and select Make Contact. And same thing for the second. And then finally, the third, in this case, is Senator to make contact. So you can see the Stop the Dismantling of Federal Education Workforce Programs has been contacted 3 times on my behalf. And you can select the Done button at the very bottom when you're all set. So we hope you use the Five Calls app to help with your future advocacy efforts.